Welcome to Health and Wellness, your one-stop YouTube channel for mind, soul, and body transformation. We are thrilled to have you on this journey with us. Today, we have something quite extraordinary lined up for you. We're about to take an exhilarating dive into the evolution and impact of artificial intelligence and machine learning, a technology that's reshaping our world in unimaginable ways. So buckle up, and let's embark on this thrilling exploration together. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of AI and machine learning. The concept of artificial intelligence, or AI, is not as new as you might think. The seeds of AI were sown by our ancestors as far back as the ancient Greeks, who envisioned self-operating machines, or automatons. The notion of creating machines that could mimic human intelligence was fascinating, yet elusive. Fast-forwarding centuries, the 1950s brought a significant shift. The Dartmouth Conference of 1956 is often credited as the birthplace of AI as a field of study. Here, scientists like John McCarthy and Alan Turing laid the groundwork for what we know today as AI. They sought to create programs that could not only perform tasks, but also learn and adapt, the essence of intelligence. This era marked the formal establishment of AI, a field dedicated to understanding intelligence by recreating it. The seeds of AI were planted, and they were ready to grow. As AI developed, a new concept emerged: machine learning. This transformative idea first took root in the 1980s, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of artificial intelligence. At its core, machine learning is about teaching computers to learn in the same way we humans do, by turning experience into expertise. It's an approach that uses algorithms to parse data, learn from it, and subsequently make informed predictions or decisions. What's fascinating is that these algorithms aren't explicitly programmed to perform the task. Instead, they're designed to learn and improve over time, mimicking the human ability to adapt and evolve. This concept revolutionized artificial intelligence, enabling machines to process vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with unprecedented accuracy. Machine learning not only changed AI, but also set the stage for the next big leap. It's a leap that's shaping our world today and promises to redefine our future. Fast forward to today, and AI and machine learning are everywhere. These aren't just buzzwords tossed around in tech conferences or subjects of sci-fi movies anymore. They've become integral parts of our daily lives, silently working behind the scenes, making our lives easier, more efficient, and more connected. Imagine your day without the convenience of your smartphone's voice assistant, or the personalized recommendations you get while shopping online or streaming your favorite show. These are all examples of AI and machine learning at work, learning from our behaviors, preferences, and patterns to provide a more tailored, seamless experience. Beyond the conveniences in our personal lives, AI and machine learning have also made significant strides in various industries. In healthcare, for instance, AI-powered medical diagnostics are revolutionizing patient care. By analyzing massive amounts of data, these systems can detect patterns and anomalies that could be early indicators of diseases, sometimes even before symptoms are evident to the human eye. In the automobile industry, self-driving cars, once a concept of science fiction, are now a reality, thanks to advancements in AI. These autonomous vehicles use machine learning to interpret data from sensors, navigate roads, and make split-second decisions, potentially making our commutes safer and more efficient. In the world of finance, AI is used for high-frequency trading, analyzing market trends, and making predictions at a speed and accuracy level that surpasses human capabilities. Even in areas like agriculture and climate science, AI and machine learning are being used to analyze patterns, predict outcomes, and guide decision-making processes. Everywhere you look, AI and machine learning are making significant contributions, driving innovation, and transforming the world as we know it. They're not just changing the way we do things, they're redefining what's possible. Ultimately, AI and machine learning are no longer concepts of the future. They are shaping our present. They've moved from the realm of speculation and theory into tangible, real-world applications that impact our lives in countless ways every single day. As we look to the future, the possibilities of AI and machine learning are endless. Imagine a world where your smartphone knows your preferences so well that it can predict your needs before you even articulate them. That's the potential of AI and machine learning. In the medical field, AI could be used to deliver more accurate diagnoses and better patient care. In education, personalized learning experiences could be created for each student, enhancing their understanding and retention. In business, AI could streamline operations, predict trends, and drive innovation. Even in our daily lives, AI and machine learning could revolutionize the way we interact with technology. From smart homes that adjust to our routines to self-driving cars that learn from every trip they make, the possibilities are truly limitless. But it's not just about the technology itself, it's about the people who will harness its potential. That's where you come in. Whether you're a budding programmer, a business leader, or simply a curious mind, there's a place for you in this exciting field. It's time to think about how you can contribute to this revolution and how it can change your life for the better. As we continue to explore and understand AI and machine learning, who knows what the future holds? But one thing is certain, the journey is just beginning.